All right, good morning, boys and girls. For today's lesson, we're just going to be reviewing how to divide fractions. So remember our little trick when you're dividing fractions, that's the same as multiplying by the reciprocal. So you're going to skip your first fraction, flip or find the reciprocal of your second fraction, multiply them together, and then simplify or reduce them if you need to. So let's do an example problem. Let's say we have 3/5 divided by 2/3. All right, so we are going to skip our first fraction and just rewrite it as 3/5. We're going to flip our second fraction. So 2/3 becomes 3/2. And then we're going to multiply them together. And when we multiply 3 times 3, we get 9. So you just multiply straight across. And 5 times 2, you get 10. So 9/10 is your answer. Okay, let's do one more. Let's say we have 3/4 divided by 1/3. All right, so you are going to, instead of dividing by a third, you're going to multiply by 3/1, which is the same as 3. So we're going to skip our first fraction, 3/4, write it exactly like it is, just skip it, leave it alone, keep it, and then you're going to flip your second fraction. So instead of 1/3, you now have 3/1, and multiply, we get 9/4. That is an improper fraction. So this is like 9 divided by 4, an incomplete division problem. So if we take 9 and divide it by 4, how many groups of 4 will fit into 9? 2 groups of 4. 2 times 4 is 8. 1 left over. This becomes my numerator. That's my denominator, my divisor. So it's 2 1/4. So your answer would be 9/4, which equals 2 1/4.